We all know that the gravity is working. It's pulling down everything, even in this moment. It's pulling on the skin on your face and on your body. If you check your elbow, you will see how snaggy, how droppy it is. Am I right? And this is also on your knee. You can check your knee and you will see how the skin looks like. After 5, 10, 20 years, this is what will happen to your face as well. It will be maybe drier, but it will be definitely loose and go towards the floor. We don't really want to have it, am I right? We all want to stay young and fresh and prevent wrinkles. If you are going to the gym, most of the time you are doing full body workout, but I'm sure that you have specific areas you are working out more. I like to work out more my belly because I want to have a nice tummy when I'm going to the beach. Men used to work on arm most of the time and also on the belly, but they want to have a nice shoulder and arm, that's for sure. And this is also on the face. If you work out your face, you can tighten it and it will look nicer, healthier, and because your muscle is holding your skin, it will pull everything up, so we can work against the gravity. As we have muscles on our body, we have 43 muscles on the face. Why not to work out the face muscles? Why not to look young even on our face? If you look into the mirror, you don't see exactly how much you age. You are used to the picture in the mirror. But if you are checking your old pictures, how you looked like even 2 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, you can see the difference and you can see that you got wrinkles on your face. You are aging. I show you a quick trick how you can check the way you will look like after 5, 10, 20 years. So you take a mirror or a phone and you will hold it under your chest towards your body, parallel to the floor, like this. You put it down and then you don't smile, you just relax your face and look down and see yourself in the mirror. If you have a phone, take a quick photo also. So you look down. What do you see? You think your skin is tight, or you see turkey neck, snagging face around your eyes, your nasolabial folds are also pulled by the gravity. I think it is not really a nice picture. The other way, if you want to see how you looked before and how the face yoga can work on your muscles and tighten it up, then the same mirror or the phone, put it upwards the ceiling, like parallel to the ceiling, and look up. And look up. Relax your face. Do you see how nice it is? This is how you looked like before. And this is what face yoga can do for you. And as I told you that you are working out your body and you can work out your face also, you don't just do random movements like this. The face yoga has specific exercises for your face. I am teaching you different poses. It depends on what you want to tighten first. You can have bright eyes, you can prevent the snaggy eyelids, and you can remove the double chin. It really makes magic. So why not to work on the face if it is possible? Everybody sees first our face and not our body when you meet with someone, am I right? If you don't like the picture in the mirror and you want to change it, I have different kind of exercises. It depends on your concern. We can tighten it up using the specific poses for these areas.